Good morning and welcome back to 4th grade Math Corner. Today we're going to be working on Lesson 11. Please grab all your work materials you need for Lesson 11. First, I will read the learning target and then we'll read it together. Today I will use my understanding of angles to find the missing angle. Let's read it together. Today I will use my understanding of angles to find the missing angle. I recently learned that a right angle equals 90 degrees. A right angle is an angle that would make a box. Looking at the picture below with the square, this would be a right angle. This would be a right angle. A and B together would be a right angle. This would be a right angle. A is an angle, shares a side. This would be like if your house next to your friend's house and what separates you is your lawn. Your house is adjacent to your friend's house. So angles A and B's relationship is that they're adjacent angles. Do you see that A and B are adjacent angles? Because they share a side, but don't overlap. Straight angles. Straight angles equal 180 degrees. A straight angle would look like this line. If we were to cut in half, one side would be 90, the other side would be 90, and together this straight angle would be 180 degrees. We're learning about other angles. So whenever you have angles that intersect completely like this, altogether, this type of angle would equal 360 degrees because you notice it makes a circle all the way around. Do you see that it makes a circle all the way around? What do we call a 360 degree angle? We call it a complete angle. It completes the circle. We'd call this a complete angle. It is 360 degrees. We're going to pretend that both 147 degrees. And we find out that this angle is 33 degrees. One way we can figure out how much this x would be worth would be to add together 147 plus 147 and 33 . 327 minus our 327, 360 degrees. Minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 0 minus 0 is nothing. Our missing degree would be 333 degrees. Whenever we have lines like this, you might notice something. What might you notice about this line? You might have noticed that the opposite angles are the same and the adjacent angles are different. Did you notice that? Sometimes we will not have angles that are as nice as this. Like this. This is broken up into 3 sections. If you notice, this section here is 120. And this section here is 90. We know this because of the little square, which means 90 degrees. We would add them together, so 120 degrees plus 90 degrees, and then minus 360 degrees from 120 plus 90 to find our x. Remember, today we will understand angles to find the missing angles. We have learned about right angles, adjacent angles, straight angles, and complete angles. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. Thank you.